Namaste, this is JVN Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics and Statistics in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss on the module SFR and TFR. SFR, that is called the standardized fertility rate, and TFR is known as the total fertility rate. So these topics, SFR and TFR, the standardized fertility rate and the total fertility rates, are the parts of the fertility rates and just belong to the course biostatistics under the program of BSc FND third semester, integrated BTech MTech FBT third semester, and BTech FBT third semester of the university. So this part of the session, SFR and TFR is important part of the biostatistics and just deals with the study of the fertility rates, various components of the fertility rates, and just as all we know that biostatistics is a very important subject, and it just connects the statistics with the biological phenomena, biological concepts and their experiments, their testing. And in the part of this today's session, we are going to discuss about the fertility rates components, as like the component of TFR, the total fertility rate, and SFR, standardized fertility rate. So these components are just concerned and related with the topic of the age-specific fertility rate, and important point, these are important topics of the vital statistics, vital statistics, which is the study of statistics and which relates with the various topics, various objectives like the births and the death and the marriages, divorces, and and many more different topics. So in the today's session we are going to discuss about the various topics these, and first of all we just share some slides to explain these topics and for their numerical and mathematical approach with examples. So we take some slides today. In the initial slide, we are having the topic of age-specific fertility rate, because when we have to just talk about the standardized fertility rate and the total fertility rate, then we have to first study about the age-specific fertility rate, and this is also known as ASFR. So ASFR is equal to BI upon WI. So age-specific fertility rate is defined as BI upon WI. That means the number of live births of women in the ith age group. The number of live births of women in the ith age group of the childbearing age, or the WI, and the WI represents the number of women in the ith age group or cohort of women of the childbearing age. So it means the age-specific fertility rate is a ratio of the number of live births of women in a particular age group and the number of women in that particular age group of childbearing age. Now we define the standardized fertility rate, which is also called SFR. So this standardized fertility rate is just concerned with the topic of total calculated number of births, and that means it can be defined as, it can be stated as measures the specific birth rates of the two populations of different areas in order to convert them into a common standards. So the standardized fertility rate is a kind of the component of the fertility rate and which can be used to measure the age specific birth rates of two populations of different areas and different regions and in order to convert them into a common standard, common level. So that is the definition part of the standardized fertility rate and when we have to just calculate the standard fertility rate, so we can calculate by the formula total calculated number of births into 1000 upon here 10 lakhs. So the formula for the standardized fertility rate is given by total calculated number of births into 1000 upon 10 lakhs and it will provide us the age specific birth rates of two populations of two different areas for the purpose of the converting them into a common standard. So now we can understand this concept of the SFR, the standardized fertility rate, with this example. Suppose we want to find out SFRs of two towns A and B. So we have the two different towns A and B and we have to find the SFR for these two towns. Then and we are also given that the total calculated number of births of A town are 26,500 and the town B are 24,100. Their standard fertility rates as per the following formula. So we can see here, we can understand because in this question we are given that the two different populations of two areas. Areas means here we are given that the two towns A and B, the live births, the total calculated number of births of the town A is given that 26,500 and for the town B is given that 24,100. So we can just find out the SFR is equal to total calculated number of births into 1000 upon 10 lakhs. So SFR of the town A is given by 26,500 into 1000 upon 10 lakhs and which is equal to 26.5. While the SFR of the town B, it is equal to 24,100 into 1000 upon 10 lakhs and this will be equal to 24.1. So in this way the SFR, the standardized fertility rate of the town A is greater than the standardized fertility rate of the town B, and this can be just understand in this way, this can be used to measure the such age specific birth rates of the two populations for the different areas just as we have taken in this example, to convert them into a common standard, and therefore the SFR of the town A is greater than the SFR of the town B. Now we take the part of the TFR, that is known as the total fertility rate. The total fertility rate is the sum of the age specific fertility rates of women in all age specific groups. So the total fertility rate can be defined as the sum of the age specific fertility rates of women in all the age specific groups, and it can be just also given by, it can be given by a formula, and this formula is given by sum of the age specific fertility rate into magnitude of the age group upon 1000. So in the definition part of this total fertility rate, we can also define as the total fertility rate is defined as the sum of the age specific fertility rate multiplied by the magnitude of the age group and divided by 1000. Now here we are given that the difference between the birth rate and the fertility rate, the main difference between the birth rate and the fertility rate is that the birth rate is the total number of births in a year per 1000 individuals in a population. So birth rate just will represent the total number of births in a year per 1000 individuals for a population, while the fertility rate represents the number of live births in a year per 1000 women of the reproductive age in a population. That means the fertility rate is showing that the number of live births in a year per 1000 women of reproductive age. The reproductive age means the age in which the woman can bear the child, and the reproductive age can be just considered as 15 to 49 universally. So that is the reproductive age of women. Now here just one example is given that to calculate the total fertility rate, so age specific fertility rates and the total fertility rates are given that in a table. So age groups initially given that initially age groups are mentioned, then number of births and number of women, and then we have just the column for the age specific fertility rate. So age specific fertility rate we have discussed already. The age specific fertility rate is defined as the number of births, that means the column number 2, divided by the number of women, that is the column number 3, into 1000. So that is the age specific fertility rate. And in this example, to find the total fertility rate, first we have to calculate the age specific fertility rates for all the age groups. So that is here just we have to calculate for all the age groups like 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29 and so on. So this summation, the sum of all these specific fertility rates is coming there 1956. 1956 is coming there, and therefore the total fertility rate is equal to 1956 into 5 divided by 1000, as we have seen in the formula. So this is coming there 9.78. So 9.78 is the total fertility rate, and the total fertility rate is a hypothetical rate which indicates the total number of children that would ever be born to a group of women if the group passed through its reproductive span of literal life with these birth rates in the each year of age. So it is explained here that the total fertility rate is a kind of the hypothetical rate, and this indicates the total number of children, the total number of child that would ever be born to a group of the women, and if the group passed through its reproductive span, means the life bearing the child bearing age group of the life with these birth rates in each year of age. So that is the method by which we can calculate the total fertility rate and the age specific fertility rates. So this is a session of standardized fertility rate and the total fertility rate, and we have just learned about that what are the concepts of the standardized fertility rate and the age specific fertility rate, and along with the total fertility rate. So this session is very important part of this vital statistics, and students are advised to practice for the subjective as well as the objective questions for the competitive examinations also. Thank you.